YM Packaging Group is a company specialized in the manufacturing of packaging, case packing, and palletizing machinery. Today we're showcasing a high-speed vertical packaging line designed for packing nuts into pillow bags, followed by automatic case packing. The line consists of 3 multi-head weighers, 3 continuous vertical form fill seal machines, 3 product collectors, an automatic grouping unit, and a wraparound case packer. Let's take a closer look. Everything begins with vacuum feeding into the 14-head multi-head weighers. These 4th-generation weighers deliver fast and highly accurate weighing, achieving up to 90 drops per minute depending on the product. Each weigher feeds directly into a vertical packaging machine, the VMC520 vertical form. Fill seal machines are designed for continuous production of pillow bags, reaching speeds of up to 120 bags per minute. Each machine features a 10-inch touchscreen, enabling intuitive adjustment of all key parameters and storage of up to 99 recipes. Once packed, the bags are transferred via 3 independent collectors to the automatic grouping unit. The grouping unit receives the bags, organizes them into rows, and once the mosaic is formed, pushes them onto the in-feed conveyor of the case packer. The side-loading wraparound case packer forms boxes directly from a flat cardboard blank, loads the bag sideways, and seals the box with hot melt glue at a speed of up to 15 boxes per minute. If you're looking for efficiency, precision, and versatility in your packaging line, this is the perfect solution for you. At YM Packaging, we design complete lines tailored to your product and production speed. Get in touch with us to find out how we can optimize your packaging processes.